What's up, guys? Back with another one. Yeah, no, I haven't been uploaded too many to my YouTube channel, but on my Facebook you're gonna see a lot of stuff. Green Rhino Academy and the cleanup. Green Rhino Academy is actually a paid group. It's only for my students from Green Rhino Academy. But yeah, link below that if you need some help growing your business or just need help learning how to do the business, right? That's what I do. So anyway, this job is the first one of the day. Small, just one room, but pets, cats. I guess the previous renter had 4 cats. It smells like it. There's poop in there. There's all that. So we're doing the Green Rhino cocktail, and already vacuumed. I already pre-sprayed heavily in certain areas. Now the product I use, you don't have to worry about overspraying, right? So notoriously, you don't want to overspray because when it dries, you might get wicking. But the peroxide that I have in the product prevents the wickiness. That's smart, right? That's nasty. New addition. Jose likes it. He uses more than me. I probably used it twice. So the key with the pet treatment is to make sure, especially when you're doing an all over pet treatment, I call it the Green Rhino cocktail. So make sure you agitate everything in so that deodorizer works, right? If you just go ahead and spray that stuff down and rinse it out, you're not going to get the best benefit from your treatment. You're probably going to call that. So we always agitate all the product into the fibers. This is all done before I even pull out any hoses, right? By the time I pull out the hoses, it's giving it plenty of dwell time. This is not an enzyme product that I use, so we don't need that extended dwell time. Just for your information, I believe the enzymes suck, so if you guys are using that, feel for you. So, anyway. Hey guys, I started out with enzymes too, but there's better chemistry out there, it works faster, okay? Yeah, so basically agitating all this stuff in, it's gonna help with pet hair, right? Dead cats. It's a little tray on that thing that picks it up. I also have a couple other different machines. I have a Powerfly and another one, Namco, that does the same thing. But those are more of a multi-wash type machines. This is strictly for scrubbing, so that's why I got it. And it's light, a little 10-inch, so it's light. 14-inch would be heavy. So anyway, yeah, plenty of dwell time. We're not going over those with the CRB. Okay, what I'm gonna do is go over those manually with a different brush, hand brush, so I can wash those things out, break it up. But as far as the urine, the smell, and everything like that, this product that I use actually is pet treatment. I've never had a call back on. Been over 2.5 years. I say it all the time, guys. You're probably sick of me talking about it, but literally this pet treatment is only gonna cost me like $7. You need at least a gallon, right? So how much is a gallon of your pet treatment costing you? Yeah, there goes your profit. All right, so I've done some houses to where we literally had to walk outside and throw up. Well, at least one of us did. Actually, I never did, but my helpers. So right now I'm scrubbing doo-doo. Yeah, scrubbing doo-doo. I'm breaking it up. That way when I go over with the wand, it rinses out. Luckily my pet treatment odor deodorizers taking away any unpleasant smell that would get doing this. I don't do this much. Once you get into the business, you're gonna notice it's mostly gonna be pet pee problems when you're dealing with pets. Not poo-poo problems. I don't know what that is. That's kind of hard. I'll go ahead and spray these a little bit more, let it dwell. And then scrub it. Yeah, other than that, it's ready to go. Huh? Gum, looks like. I'll get my gum remover. Do with this stuff is when I'm done, when there's an odor problem, all that odor gets up in the air, right? And yeah, you can smell it. So this stuff right here, you get at Lowe's, it's awesome. A couple sprays, man, it's strong, neutralizes anything. So I kind of do that as I walk out. Beautiful, all that rinsed out over there. That dark, it wasn't poo-poo or throw up. It's, I don't know, something different. And it's hard. It won't dissolve, even with dissolve. So yeah, we'll spray this stuff on the way out. Looks great. I'm sure the customer's gonna be happy. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Short but sweet. You know, this is a pet treatment. This is what we do. See you in the next one.